welcome to Jamaica Good Life. This is Jamaica Good Life based in Portland. This is Sevvah. This is now Jamaica Good Life family. So all the people from over the world, the real soldier them, so I deal with. This is how I deal with now Portland. It's really up and running. So you see my mango is there. We meet the General Everton.
So,
this is the Jamaica Good Life family, and these are the authentic warriors. They uphold the thing to the fullest. So, yeah, see another place, another camp, and we'll talk about that later. Beautiful love in this place. So these will be your guide to show you why Jamaica is the best place in the world. Shall we move, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Let's move. All right. Oh, go on. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come. You know, around this day, always depending 24/7, 365, bringing you the live, uncut experience of a lifetime throughout the world for travel. So, see, real liberty. So, how you feel, Sevvah? How you feel about the vibes so far? Everything?
Don't see it up again. You can look do it. I see so many people move, you know. So but there again, it's another day, new day. Yeah, so we are go out there and start this. Yeah, banging.
I want to find out where you get the kerchief in our cars.
Yeah, man, them there. We all see them in there.
You can see them. We need to get one of them. Sevvah always say banging. Sevvah. Sevvah. Is that your thing or hear other people say it or just you?
No, so like, you know, say kind of create it off of one style.
Off a song?
Yeah. I'm hearing a song bang it. So I say banging. You know.
So the man is a farmer?
Mostly chef. You know. Cause I'm there in the country sometime. Father have a place in the country. So get up there sometime. Help him around. So he's not a farmer, but me in the farm sometime.
Okay.
You know.
But you must is a chef.
Yeah.
You cook, who do you cook for? Just family and friends?
Cook for everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Was there some you cook ital too?
Ital.
Everything.
Yeah, I cook everything.
So we're on a boat today.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Banging.
And man called Fire Sparks. Love the energy.
Yeah, man.
You're on the road, Fire Sparks though.
Well, alright, last night since my day here, the first in company block. First in come here since my day here.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I'm my first experience
With him?
with him at the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see how him sound and
Vibes and things. And yeah, man, it's positive. Yeah, man. So
wow. Everton. So when in time I'm gonna be slim like you guys.
yeah, maybe.
Let me keep it the ital and thing, I go. Randy, I go, you know the money I go. Let me get ital and keep the health going. Portland, this is Jamaica Good Life in a Portland. Them also call them the ghetto. Them call them the ghetto god.
Get over
What them call him? What's his nickname? You just call him Soldier? Ghetto Soldier. Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're out here.
So what make you so cool and easy? Is it the good marijuana or just your spirit?
Well, it's a blend of both, you know. You know, everything connected. As we are saying, yeah, man, everything connected.
I know, say, I will never roll me a spliff in the morning, you know. I know, so never roll me a spliff in the morning. Only smoke, I mean, not smoke yet.
Oh, man,
This is the car that, with the fire sparks. And the man called Sevvah and the man called Ghetto Soldier. One called Everton. So, this is the car. And as Sevvah, my loving name, he would say everything Sevvah says, banging. This is Jamaica Good Life. We're going to dip in. Going to dip in the beach right now. Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy right now. I hang out with the man called Everton. This is the beginning of a journey. And hopefully you guys can be here one day when you stay in your Airbnb or your hotel. This is the man to call. And if you rent a car, this is the man. And Sevvah, that's the chef. This is the chef, driver, tour guide. Jamaica Good Life is endorsing these men as your protectors in Port Maria. Sorry. In Port Antonio. They're gonna show us today the beautiful, one of the most beautiful place in Jamaica, Point Blanc. Look at this. So where are we headed to right now?
Going to a spring.
A spring?
Yeah, so we're gonna catch some spring water. That's what we do in the early morning. But we don't like the pipe water in the early morning. Body needs some help, you know?
Yeah.
Fresh and good. Yeah, man. So we're going to the spring and then after we'll go a little bit to the beach or to the mountain. But we'll see the vibe. It will be very interesting. So,
Respect. We're gonna keep the camera here to show you the view. And where are we located now?
well, we're going into the best work area now.
Okay. So these homes are all Jamaican homes.
Yeah, man. These are local homes.
Local homes.
Vibes, you know?
Okay.
And people from abroad live here, you know, a lot of returnees and stuff too, you know. It's a good vibe.
Lots of returning residents.
Yeah, a lot of returning residents.
So how many guests do you have at your banging place?
Well, at my place, guests can come up to 9 in numbers. Right now the season is starting again, so you'll see people coming in and out. So that will be the vibe soon, you know?
Okay.
So,
Well, thanks for having us.
yes, sir. Sevvah, left, right. Sevvah. Sevvah. Yeah, take so long, God.
Sevvah, how much you smoke today, Sevvah? Sevvah, easy. The Sevvah, the easy vibe. At this point. Sevvah easy, you know, Sevvah just easy. The first time I meet Sevvah, so it was so easy. It was easy.
Yeah, man. Fucking.
Sevvah so easy, it's scary.
Scary, right?
It's scary,
Yeah,
easy.
man, it's scary, easy.
It's a scary, easy.
Be scared.
Don't be
Just
scared.
keep it banging. Living the lifestyle.
So, Sevvah, when the
Enjoy every minute.
when the Jamaican Good Life people them come and says, "Hello, how you doing? Everything good, man?" Sevvah, I walk up and say, "Yeah, man, everything easy." Yeah. And I said, "Where the money I come from?" Look how beautiful, man. So this is the spring.
One way going to the
Wow. Jamaicans, you see, you can't get the real thing if you don't hang out with the real people, them.
spring. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So we're going around into a mini part of this used to be our jungle, you know. People start to live here, you know. So it's like
Everybody I take over everything.
everything, you know. And especially with the spring being here. People to live here.
So we don't can capture a piece of the land too.
Well, it reach a point now where easier to buy.
Easier to buy? You can buy land here?
Yeah, man.
People sell land here.
Yeah, man, a lot.
Eh?
Just have to link with the right link and you can get a piece to buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And this is like just 3 minutes from the town.
3 minutes from the town. They said land is selling here.
Yeah.
Well, who own the land? The people them?
Yeah,
And government.
land for sale.
You'll see the signs.
Well, sometimes not really. Some people sell the land online.
Online. Yes, no. This road I got developed, you know. Anyway, there's a spring now running water. Babylon are comfy, you know.
True.
Know that. Lush and green, man. No wonder the people are easy. I'm easy, man. You have some Borscht Michel banana tree. Okay. This spring is not on Google Maps. It's not. You can't find them spring yet. Tourists come on here, so
They don't even know that it exists.
they don't know it exists.
Understand?
So, but
Only
people.
if we carry a few people,
Okay.
then they really get to see the vibe.
Carried for sale. That's a nice fucking car. Wow, so only if gonna bring them know. That's guest house?
Yeah, but not anymore.
Not functional.
Like an apartment.
All them things the man I go buy out, you know.
That makes sense over this.
Yeah. All them say about 2030. You see, if we don't set up on the thing right, in a 2030, you know, everybody all over the world are gonna hear. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's a new Jamaica them are building.
True.
But them not tell we are foreign. Them don't want we come because we are gonna buy up the thing because we have money. In a foreign, they don't want foreigners to come home. The rich in Jamaica don't want rich foreigners to come. But then them have competition. So they make them first move.
True.
And once them start buy up the thing and rent out the thing, can imagine you they have a something up there so nice. And you put it on Airbnb. Everybody at home.
Yes. The thing is, we soon change the house too, you know.
Your house over
Yeah, man, we soon change that, man.
And you rent the house or your house?
No, we rent it, but I mean, we soon change from that
From that house to a different
to a
one.
different one. Want a better one, man.
So I'm going to talk to Mike because then once you know have even some on the hilltop, our land, our Sevvah family or whatever, the closest distance to the city, but set up a way, that is it. Airbnb is the official thing. Once you take your picture them and set up, I mean look on the place, man. When you have it, man, look here. Look how beautiful, man. The government cool vine a virgin. And the difference between your beauty is fruits.
Roots. Yeah, man.
The man they have beauty but they have no food.
No food.
No fruits on the pantry. So when I look for something and I can't get nothing from it.
That's true.
When I look for something here so I can get health and strength from it.
True that.
So it don't make no sense to have it if you look for it.
Yeah, if they can't get
If me can't get nothing from it.
That's true.
Right? Then you look for here so in Jamaica. I mean at them place you have to live. I mean the rain a fall.
You see what?
Nice environment.
True, man. It's nice.
And I have the honor of being here. Enough people in Jamaica, enough people not see them spring here. Mike, thank you for introducing me to them man here. Enough people not see them thing here. I will never see it in them life. But Jamaica good life, show it to you. When I show you no beachfront with no tourists. A man said to me, oh, you know, show us the result. I show us something and nobody not see.
See, yes, man.
They said the 400 year, 600 year tree.
Yeah, man. We need to go there today, too.
Yeah. I loved it. Because when you said spring to me, I said, well, I think that you went up the road. I think that we can walk, but I like when we are going. And I go in, so I know say I sacred brothers. Wow, look on this, man. So no, all of the people that want to come. So we make them become a member before them get through you. So them keep building me.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't just come out the door and just say, yeah man, thank you, see you later.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's a guest house. You can't rent this.
No.
Yeah man, the money I rent out the room probably. Or them have to start. As if this
And I did that same one, set it up and we could do a drop, but I will leave us spending.
This too far in. Yo. I saw now live around here saying that Jamaica good life. The people want to talk about Jamaica have crime. You see nobody get shot away this morning. Right, look here man. Me never, yo, not even St. Mary's still like this, you know. You know that? Me never see so much green in my life. So much fruit tree, you know. Look here man. Yes, sir. I don't place somewhere I live. Manchester arid. No water like that. Wow, I see why I don't just relax and easy because I'm not living at the rainforest. Look here, sir. Lord God, wait till I show my rich friend them. Wow, sometimes you will hear me excited, so no worry about it, alright? Because when me say something good, people up hear me excited.
Yeah.
But when you can't easy and say, oh, I ran there, God, so. But when I see this, I New York where I come from, you know? You know, experience them things here. In abundance of life what you have. Everywhere you turn, it's just God there, I say. You know, Mike tell me, you know, so wait till you see the thing right there. Wait till you see it. Look on God fruits, man. Look there. Everywhere you turn in Jamaica. There's so much blessings, and these are the greatest places that could bring me. We just need a Jeep.
Road easy, you know?
Nice.
Not so much on the grass. That pass into the turnings, man.
So we're gonna turn, stay here, so I'm walking. Good thing Sevvah did stay over, you know. As if you never stay over, I wouldn't see this.
Start morning.
Yes, sir. So we're going to get some spring water, people. Get some spring water. This is Randy Panja for Jamaica Good Life. Right now, Sevvah took us to the spring.
Look at you carry tools, you know? Yeah, man.
No.
Confident, and I give him enough confidence.
Yeah, man, ready.
Everton there. These are Jamaica
I
good.
feel it does one brand new. 90s. Oh, pretty good stuff.
Sevvah, pull up your pants for the film. Change and balance. Marcus Garvey.
Boom. And I left me out and I say, oh, me I cut without my belly. I say, oh, me even a turn back, you know? Which are that I right thing me should have do, you know? Yeah, cause see me end up, me even reach back home and now.
Okay. What we say about preparation? Never leave it. I know you're international, no Sevvah. And the people say, yo Randy, what kind of man you we are promote with pants down? Change and balance. See it there? Jamaica. This is called, what them call it? Chocolate, cocoa.
It's like cocoa bean.
Yes.
Cocoa pie.
Back to the spring. Thank you guys, man. Thank you.
Actual experience, you know?
Yeah. Okay. You know this, you don't put your shoes in it. You have to walk barefoot in this. Yeah. I hate this. I know, let's bring this. We were glad if I just disregard. People, you know, some should never bring the slippers, but everything is still banging. Like the Sevvah said. Should I bring my shoes? Me not prepare. Change and balance on the preparation. See there. Man, them have star apple, right? The man, them have everything.
Yeah, man. How do you found him?
But this is a man grown.
Yeah, man.
You know him?
No. Before we never even stay so in our house, so he sent me to come back and get some water the other day.
Oh, yes.
He said, please fix something nice, you know?
Are the king that?
All that?
Are the owner? I can meet him.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get some sugar cane. Watch how Randy talk about the thing. I get anything in the world what I need, you know. Man, I'll have a stick for pick the coconut. See him laugh.
This is the last time. This side. All gone.
Yes, king.
That brother. A brother that. Yeah. Brother. How are you? All gone. Come on, let's see how to do it now. Yeah, do a little shoot here. Yeah, shoot a little film here. We are support farmer and baking. We are support farmer and baking. So I don't know if you would want for unite. I want to a small interview. Yeah, man.
When I come back? So now I said a year farm this?
Yeah.
Your land?
No, that's my land personally.
So my name is Randy Pottinger.
Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life. What's your name?
Fitzroy. Tell him.
Fitzroy.
Yeah.
So you plan up everything else?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, but next building over there, so over the other side.
You know, did it right now, but me have a guy over there that's doing some work.
So where do you live?
I live just down.
You live
down
around
bottom
near
here.
the spring?
Yeah, man.
You have no sugar cane?
No,
No,
you know,
not
they
ready.
actually just not ready yet. You know, they're kind of young.
So no, this is called cocoa coffee.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
You're right, the same thing that they used to make cocoa.
Yeah.
Right.
This is your plant?
Well,
Or you come and see it?
yeah, come and see it. It was here a long time ago in Jamaica.
So how long you been farming?
Well, the thing is, I do a little there because I still do construction work. So once I don't have any construction work to do, then I'm in my farm.
Any land for sale in the mountains where you know about?
Well, not right now. Maybe I could do some investigation.
So have your number. Give me
Yeah.
the name again.
Fitzroy.
Fitzroy, respect,
Yes,
love.
yeah, man, respect.
All right?
All right.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
Give
Love
thanks.
to you too.
We call you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause now we have a link down here, so. Respect.
Yes, man.
That was, that's how we move it. Now we connect near to the spring. Wow. This is really a sacred place. A really sacred place, this is a... I said this is a real sacred place, guys. Eh? Yeah. I know it's a tourist not come around here, so. This is the kind of stuff I like when nobody not know about. Mike, you're there on it, you see it. so no,
You're right there, you know?
you're not live now, but
Oh, good.
what Mike I go say is, yo Ron, me tell you, you know. And then him I go, no, the whole world I go want to go up on this journey. Cause in Manchester we show them another path. Now them want another hike.
Spring don't come in big parcels. Good things come in a small little parcel.
Say that again.
Good things don't come in big parcels. Good things come in a small little itsy little tiny flow. Water.
You know that somebody in St. Thomas had something like this for healing. And a woman see it and said, that's not healing, but me tell her, I said, no, that I come out of the rock. There's a little water tank in there.
How much water is there?
Alright, don't so let me see this. Let me go wash my Oh, so you mean say Sevvah, you mean say you come all this way just for that little drip of water here?
Yeah, man.
Water Commission would say, that's the water company, they say, if the pipe flow hard, you burn less water, but by a drip of the water during the night, you're going to pay more on the bill. So I guess this one is selling a lot.
So this is where Sevvah drinks his water. How often you drink your water here?
Well, since we just come back from the country,
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
Right. One time, since from probably about a couple months ago, you know, I used to stay down the road, so I end up finding it. Yeah.
So people use this as a source.
Yeah, man, but this is a source. It's not used like a source, it's a source.
It is a source.
Yeah. And the earth is so much alive, like it's bleeding water right now.
Okay.
Something that you can't do without, cause everything has to look on these trees. This is the root of the spring. I look on this tree. We get minerals directly from the source.
Filter,
From the
no?
roots.
Like the trees are like a filter body. Yeah, man. So if this tree die, this water will stop running. You see the trees around the spring, as far as even to the dam or the water where them send to the people. They always have an environmental protection around and the trees in that circle. Because the trees actually hold the surface and it flows through the body of the tree and the stone. So once you remove it, the water sink. Channel to a different part. That is what we know about a spring. A spring cannot be keep dirty. Once it's dirty, change the channel. True. There's about 50 spring in non-such area. So when we get there, I'll show you what I mean. And I'll show you some spring that change the way how they flow just because of people putting maybe a hog pen there or so forth, but not realizing they just want the water source and not knowing they're mashing up the nature. So when they do that, with just the feces going in there, it stops running.
Wow.
You know?
On that note, let's get some banging water.
Not use all the water.
So yeah, man, film Randy going to the spring now. Yes, sir. Hello, Jamaica. Alright, so this is the first spiritual move. We're in Portland right now. This is the experience. When you come to Port Antonio, you have to link up with them. They're going to take you to this little tripping water on a journey. This spring. When the man tell me say the spring that, I believe says a big spring. I said if I know this, what it is. And the man then bring me to this. And people don't know one day St. Thomas just like this. And people come from all over the world just for. So, I give thanks for honor. I really appreciate it because them things are ancient. And this is the source.
That one is an ancient spring.
In the movie they put fountains as high water, but this is a fountain.
Every day now we have to go come and get water. We have full of water, you know.
Yes, sir.
So we don't run out. You know, when we come to Portland, you know that this morning in my house, the whole life, you get big.
Jamaica good life.
We all rent a van, you know. And pay a man for literally. Because I have some people who want some healing. And I know, say, oh, this around here, so. And that's why I tell them, say, them have to become a member and talk to me before them get to know me.
Exactly.
Because I don't want some little shaky
No,
people.
but we not going to allow it if them come without your...
Me don't want,
Everybody.
me don't want the Babylon people them to just
Don't
come.
want the Babylon people coming.
And then this whole trek here, so it's like thousands of people. You see what I say? And destroy.
Keep it a secret.
We have to actually-
can pass through at a time.
We have to actually protect the spring.
Yeah, man.
In Africa, you're not supposed to walk with shoes. But this because we don't drink it, but you know, walk with shoes in the spring.
Yeah.
Virgin,
You know, I use all the Africa to, you know.
virgin.
Yeah, man.
This is the kind of gift I want to give me. Price.
Yeah, man.
This is
Pure.
Jamaica good life.
Pure.
This is as good as it gets. We get it from the source. Jamaica
From the
good
source.
life. Yeah? So enough of them places are there sentence for morning. Right? Like this. Enough of them places were sacred. People, like you said, like him said, when them start them have pen. The more people discover something, the more them destroy.
Oh, the man this secret still. And even though it a reveal to you, like,
Why this man would have come and wait with a bag when he could have go down there, sir, and full the bag? But him rather for wait to fill up the bag, yes, sir. Think about it. Why would this man wait, yes, sir? Feel him spirit, I tell him something about this. Him no want that down there, sir. I just him want. That's why I said, Sevvah, why are you so calm? See why I'm calm, yeah? From the source. Wow, so you would literally keep this all day, right, yes, sir? You would hold this till it's full.
normally it run fast and go through the drought from what day. Like whole heap of sunshine. Like a lot of the springs and get drier, you know, and then get dehydrated.
Wow.
The source. Like the more support it gets, you know, the more it has a spring, you know. So you support even this tree, as I said, it wouldn't die, you know. If this tree died, the spring wouldn't die. But it would lose a lot of support, you know.
So there's a bit of water under the ground here that is overflowing a little bit. Just for get this out. It a leak. Basically, the water thing a leak the table.
It creates a constant channel, so it's like it's a flowing water all the time. It no need a basin to catch it and then overflow it. It just keep constant.
Okay.
Through the stones, like
So it's a channel way up on top of the mountain.
Yeah, man. So anywhere it
A
running,
little channel.
yeah. So it running through mineral stones.
So it's a process.
It's a process
Oh, a
of-
little.
yeah, man.
A little. So this is the birth of a river.
For a river. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So it make its way as a little teeny water push through dirt and thing.
Until it turn into a
Little.
yeah. Man. Sometimes they burst and turn a big river. So things like that happen. Yeah, man. But it depends on where and how it's shaped,
You know, say banging. When we drink after a while, you have to watch me, I'm afraid, man. We drink.
So you have a food everything. We recommend saying that. And even just the other day, I'm telling us to come in. You know, I'm faster than this. You know? Yeah.
Well, the other one. We come from America to drink everything that come out of the ground. Don't watch up here. Brandy's banging. The healing inside and the healing outside. You can't keep doing outside healing. You have to come to a spring and drink the water, even if you get sick. You better get used to it. And the next year, you do it again, or you drink a teaspoon of it. Get a little bit of sickness. You make your body get used to things. It adapt, and then you keep doing it every year. And it give you different strength and give you minerals. And in Manchester, we don't have spring, we have rainwater. So if you tank water, we drink from the rain. But this is a different strength. You know, so this water, so at least the water, the buckle on herself. You know, from the spring water, right? Jamaica, this is Randy again. Look, I'm a barefoot, yeah? I will just take a bathe in the spring water. And we're at the sacred grounds. After I talk to you, interview you, you become a member. That's the only way you get to come up here, so come catch water. You know, because we have to protect. This is a tree that's about 300 years old. And we don't touch nothing. We don't, you know, we'll come as we see it, we'll leave it as we see it. I'm going to show you where the spring where my beard and thing, but this is Port Antonio. And this is true beauty. Thank you, Everton.
Yes, sir. Blessed Randy.
Yes, sir. And thank you, Sevvah.
Yes, yes.
Give thanks.
That one, whoa.
All right. So where you go? All right, wake up the whole thing. Good. And that's what you call Jamaica good life. Banging.
Experience, banging. Warrior, roll out.
What I doing home? Right. Jamaica good life out there. Whoa. This guy. The kids.
People, I'm taking them on the journey. I'm going to do the Warriors back. The next thing I want to do is to roll up some lemon grass, right? Cleanse yourself. Chew on this for 1 hour.